Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to restore headlights easily with toothpaste. This will be a complete and full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, this headlight looks quite old. It looks quite foggy, quite blurry. Now, some of this fog and blur might be on the inside of the headlight, and we can't get to that from the outside, but I'm going to show you how to tackle some of the fogginess on the outside. And if you rub your finger on your headlight on the outside of it, and if it feels kind of rough, then that's a good indication that you can probably fix some of the problem. And if you're lucky and all of the damage is on the outside, then you can probably fix all of it using this method. All that you need is some toothpaste. Any toothpaste will work. I just use whatever toothpaste I have around the house, but any toothpaste will work. You need a cleaning toothbrush or something that has a little bit of an abrasive brush on it that you can use to sort of scrub the headlights. I just have this toothbrush that I use around the house for cleaning things, but you can pretty much use anything that will scrub at the headlights. Even your fingers will work, to be honest with you. You need a little bit of water, and then you need just like a rag to wipe it off after. So we're going to start off by just wetting the headlights, and what this is going to do is this is going to just first of all, you can see that's a good indication already that the majority of the damage is on the outside, because just by wetting them I see it clearing up a little bit. Okay, so this is going to get them ready for the toothpaste. The next thing that we want to do is get the toothpaste, and we're going to apply it to the headlights. Now, you want to apply it with a good amount, because you know it's going to be scrubbing away at the headlights. So just go ahead and put some on there. We're gonna sort of move it around momentarily, but we just want to really load it up. And these headlights are quite large, so we are going to need quite a bit of toothpaste. I'm just going to go ahead and put quite a bit on there. Like I said, it's better to have a little bit too much, because then you can just rinse it off after. Not a big deal. So I have quite a bit of toothpaste on there. Now, if you have toothpaste that includes some sort of like abrasive in it, like, you know, those toothpaste that feel like sort of like gritty, then you can definitely use those. Those will work even better. But really, most toothpastes will work. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just applying it to the headlights like this. And like I said, the more that you scrub it in, the better that it's going to do at cleaning the headlights. Okay. Now, the last time that I did this was a long time ago. I haven't had to do this for a long time. It was my previous car. Okay, so a while ago. But I saw that these headlights were fogged up, and I figured that I would try it out again. So like I said, I've only done this one other time, just for full disclosure, but it did work really well in my old car. By that I mean that I've owned several cars since that car, but I haven't had to do it since then. So as you can see, the toothpaste is actually getting quite dirty. So now that I've gotten it all over there, I'm going to use a toothbrush to sort of just scrub that toothpaste on there. And you can hear the difference in sound between using my finger and using the toothbrush. Okay, so the toothbrush is actually doing a much better job at scrubbing, and I don't like to wet the toothbrush before, because I like the abrasion that the toothbrush provides. If I wet the toothbrush, it's not as abrasive. You can see by the coloration of the toothpaste that there's also a lot of dirt on this, and I actually washed this car a few days ago, probably maybe about 5 days ago, so almost a week ago. But number one, the headlights just got dirty from just being outside, but number two, they had a lot of caked on dirt based on that blur that you saw right there. So we're going to continue scrubbing. You don't need to scrub it that much, and the coolest thing about this is that you can do multiple passes. So let's say you finish and you're like, okay, it looks pretty good but not good enough. You can just do it again. Okay, toothpaste is really inexpensive. So you can just go ahead and do it as many times as you need to do it. Okay, so as you can see, I think we're pretty much good. I've scrubbed the entire headlight with the toothpaste vigorously. The toothpaste looks quite discolored, and I know you're like, oh, it doesn't look that great now, but just give me a moment. So I'm just going to actually rinse off that toothbrush. Okay, because I'm probably going to use it to clean other parts of the house later. And then now I have some paper towel. You can use a rag of any sort, but I just have this paper towel right here. So I'm just going to take a few pieces of paper towel at a time, and I'm just going to go ahead and rinse this off. And you want to get all of the toothpaste off. Okay, now there are solutions that take longer to do, but might last longer, right? So this is sort of like a medium level solution where it's going to give you a medium level of sort of like finish. It's not the best option for the longest term and for the cleanest looking headlights. There are complete restoration kits, but this is going to do a good job at getting the job done, okay? So as I'm cleaning it off, I'm just rubbing to see if I see any more haze, and I can feel that the headlight is so smooth now. What happens, from what I understand, I'm not a professional at this, but to the best of my knowledge, I should say, the clear coat on the outside of the headlights sort of gets hazy over the years, and that's what causes that. And sometimes it's caused on the inside as well, but for the most part, it's like the outside. As long as your headlights stay sealed, the outside is what sort of hazes up like that. And what we're doing is we're cleaning the clear coat by scrubbing it with toothpaste, which is acting just a tiny bit as an abrasion along with the sorry about the wind, along with the toothbrush that we're using. So I'm just going to finish up here, but you can already see it looks much better. I'm going to finish rinsing it. Just give me a brief moment, and then we'll dry it, and we'll see what it looks like. Now, like I said, I'm going to leave a little bit of cloth left to dry. Like I said, I can't, it's been a long time. The last time I did this was probably about 13 years ago, 14 years ago. So it's been a while, but it worked the last time that I did it. So that's, you know, I'm not a professional auto detailer or anything, but this is something that I wanted to try out again. And so far it looks like it works. There's a little bit of hazing I can see right here, but that might be on the inside. So what we're going to do now is, as you can see, it looks much better. I'm going to give it just a quick dry, and as you can see, it looks much better. It did a great job at clearing off the headlight. Yeah, and so like I said, this is not the best option for the longest term or anything like that, and you can go at it again if you want to. So once it dries, I might see a little bit of hazing again once it dries, but I can go at it again. So I'll just, you know what, just for fun, we'll just dry it right now, just to show you sort of like the finished result, because I don't want you to think it's gonna look a certain way and then it dries and it looks a different way or anything like that. So as you can see, as it's drying, I'm noticing a very little bit of streaking and just a little bit of fogging, but nowhere near where it was before. I mean, the level of difference is like night and day. It looks so much cleaner. So that's basically it. I really hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.